Yeah, keep adding everyone. Yeah, equation of lines. Equation of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Equation of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. There are two formulas are there. First formula, equation of x-axis equation of x-axis means y is equal to 0. Next, second formula, equation of y-axis equation of y-axis x is equal to 0. Means equation of x-axis is y, then y will be 0. Equation of y-axis is x, then x will be 0. Equation of x-axis means y is equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x, then x will be 0. Again listen, equation of x-axis is y is 0. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Example first. Example first. Example first. Yeah. Example first. Example first. Give the geometrical representation of example first. Give the geometrical representation of give the geometrical representation of give the geometrical representation of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 as an equation in one variable in two variable. First in one variable, second is in two variables. Give the geometrical representation of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 as an equation, first in one variable, second in two variable. Yeah. Now this question we need to solve. All students stop writing. Unmute yourself, everyone. Unmute the video, everyone. Yes. Concentrate, everyone here. In this question, he has given, give the geometrical representation of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now, first question is asking one variable. Now, obviously, this is the linear equation in one variable because we are using only one variable. But I want to find out the value of x. How to find the value of x? 2x is equal to plus quantity becomes minus 9. Now, x is equal to minus 9 by 2. What is the meaning of minus 9 by 2? Minus 4.5. Now this minus 4.5, I want to represent on the number line. Minus 4.5, I want to represent on the number line. How to represent on the number line? Listen, this value will lie left side of the 0 or right side of the 0. This value will lie left side of the 0 or right side of the 0. Left side of the 0 because this value is negative. Okay. Now I want to draw number line. Don't try, listen carefully, everyone. This is number line. I am assuming here 0 because this value is negative. Left side of the 0 will be negative. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now this value he has given minus 4.5. What is the meaning of minus 4.5? This value is greater than minus 4, less than minus 5. Means between minus 4 and 5, this value will lie. Half of the 5 means middle of the half of the 5 is called 4 point. Half of the 9 is called 4.5. Now 4.5 means this is greater than minus 4. This is greater than minus 5, but this value is less than minus 5. Then this point will lie here minus 9 by 2. Represent, everyone. Write down, everyone. Two x plus 9 is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to minus 9. X is equal to minus 9 by 2. X is equal to minus 4.5. Now this value will come greater than -4, less than -5. Now in this first question, one more question is there. Stop writing, everyone. Unmute yourself, everyone. Now this equation he has given 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now second question is, give the geometrical representation of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 as an equation in two variable. Now in this question, there is only one variable, but I want to write into two variable. How to write into two variables? 2x plus 0 into y plus 9 is equal to 0. Unmute your video, everyone. Two x plus 0y is equal to 9. Now this equation, we want to find out solution of given equation. How to find solution? Already we know by using table method. What is table method? We will draw two table. First table I am writing x. Second table y. Yeah, now concentrate, everyone. If I am assuming the value of y is 0, if the value of y is 0, then what is the value of x? In the place of y, I want to substitute 0. Then 2x plus 0 into 0 plus 9 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to -9. The next value has come -9 by 2. Means when I have substituted in the place of 0, then the value of in the place of y 0, the value of x has come -9 by 2. Okay. Again, I am taking the value of x is 1, the value of y is 1, then same again x will come -9 by 2. The value of y is 2, again the value of x will come -9 by 2, because if any number we are multiplying with 0, answer will come always 0, then value will come always -9 by 2. Any value will take, any value will take the, any y value will take, and x value will come always -9 by 2, because y coefficient is 0. Then if x is 3, if y is 3, then x also, x will become -9 by 2. If y is -1, then x will become -9 by 2. Now this coordinate I want to write into the points. How to write into the points? Yeah, first the value of x is 0, then y has come 0. The first coordinate will come -9 by 2 comma 0. First coordinate what will come? -9 by 2 comma 0. Second coordinate -9 by 2 comma 1. Third coordinate -9 by 2 comma 2. Next coordinate -9 by 2 comma 3. And last I have taken -9 by 2 comma -1. Student, depends on you. You can take any values, but always take more than 3 values. Okay. Now there are four, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 solutions are there. Now these points I want to plot on the graph paper. Plotting the points, plotting the points, plotting the points, minus 9 by 2 comma 0, minus 9 by 2 comma 1, minus 9 by 2 comma 2, comma, minus 9 by 2 comma 3, minus 9 by 2 comma minus 1 on the graph paper. Now this point we want to plot on the graph paper. If you have graph paper, you can use graph paper. Otherwise, you can draw normally in the notebook. But in the exam, if this question is asking, always you will use graph paper. Now we want to plot this point on the graph paper. How to plot in the graph paper? Firstly, we want to draw axis. Y-axis. X-axis. X dash. Y dash. What is the highest value of plus x? Nothing is there. Highest value of minus x? Minus 4.5. Means I will take here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. This is what? Minus 9 by 2. Then y value, y highest value is 3. 1, 2, 3. Next is minus 1. Yeah. Now, this all these points we want to plot on the graph paper. How to plot? Concentrate everyone. First point he has given minus 9 by 2 comma 0. The value of x is minus 9 by 2, y is 0. This is the first quadrant. This is the first point. Minus 9 by 2 comma 0. Second, x is minus 9 by 2, y is 1. It will come up. Minus 9 by 2 comma 1. Next, x is minus 9 by 2, y is 2. Next point, minus 9 by 2 comma 2. Next point, x is minus 9 by 2, y is 3. Minus 9 by 2 comma 3. Next, x is minus 9 by 2, y is minus 1. This point has come minus 9 by 2, comma minus 1. Now we want to join these all points. Now what is the name of this line? 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. We want to mention the scale. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. This is the final graph. Start drawing, everyone. Start plotting this graph. Example second. Solve the equation solve the equation solve the equation solve the equation 3x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4 is equal to x plus 8. Solve the equation 3x plus 4 is equal to x plus 8. And represent the solution and represent the solution. First question. In the number line, second, in the Cartesian plane, in the Cartesian plane. This question also very important question. Solve the equation 3x plus 4 is equal to x plus 8. Then first question, represent the solution in the number line in the Cartesian place. Firstly, we need to find the value of x. After that, whatever solution will come, that solution we want to represent on the number line. After that, we want to represent on the in the Cartesian plane. How to represent? Firstly, how to solve this? How to find the solution of given equation? 3x plus 4 is equal to x plus 8. Firstly, we need to find out the value of x. Note down solution. 3x plus 4 is equal to x plus 8. If this type of equation is coming, how to simplify? 3x is the variable, x is the variable, 4 is the constant, 8 is the constant. Variable will transpose one side and constant will transpose other side. Now 3x I will write same. 3x minus x is equal to plus 8 minus 4. 3x minus x is equal to 2x because both signs are different. If signs are different, always we will do subtraction. And 2x is equal to 8 minus 4, 4. Then x is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Now first solution has come, x is equal to 2. Now x is equal to 2. I want to draw in the number line. Very easy. X is equal to 2 is there. Now x is equal to 2 plus positive value is there. It will lie right side to the 0 because this value is the positive value. Suppose I am assuming this is 1, 0, 1, 2, this is 3. The value of x is true. This is the point. Again, x is equal to 2. I want to represent in the Cartesian plane. How to represent here? X is equal to 2. Your y coefficient is the y term is not there. Then I will make a equation in two variables x plus 0y minus 2 is equal to 0. This will become linear equation in two variables because y term is not there. If y term is not there, then I can make the equation x plus 0y x plus 0y x plus 0y is equal to 2. Again, we want to draw table. Here I am assuming the value of y is 0, x will come 2, the value of y is 1, it will come 2. Any value of y I can take, answer will come always. X value will come always 2. There is no problem. Now this point we want to plot on the graph paper. Plotting the points. Plotting the points. First point is what? 2 comma 0. Next 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3 on the graph paper. On the graph paper. Now these points we want to plot on the graph paper. Again, everyone know how to plot this graph. We want to draw two axes. X axis and y axis. Highest value of x is 2. This is 0, 1, 2. Highest value of y is 3. 1, 2, 3. Now these points we want to plot in the Cartesian plane. First point is x is 2, y is 0. This is the first point. X is 2, y is 0. Second point, x is 2, y is 1. X is 2, y is 2. X is 2, y is 3. Now we want to join these all points, all these points. Then we will get one line. This is called x. X is equal to x minus 2 is equal to 0.